Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a suggestions mode in Google Docs. So suggestion modes, or sometimes called suggest edit mode, is a feature in Google Docs that allows you to collaborate with your friends by making suggestions, and they can see your suggestion and they can decide whether or not they want to accept your input. So here's how you can enter the suggestion mode in Google Docs. Click on this editing menu and then change it to suggesting. After that, you can start tinkering with the document, and your friend or your coworkers will see the changes, but they have the option to accept or reject your input. So for example, if I change this text from manual to, let's say, guide, the original text would remain and there will be a comment, and your friend will be able to see this as well. They can click accept or reject your suggestion. In this example, I happen to be the original owner of the document, so I should not see this one. But if you have a document and your friend is the original author, they are going to see that, but you won't be able to see this. Also, you can address these changes to a specific person and you can tell them about your input. So yeah, that's basically how you can use the suggestion mode in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.